You are going to love the 2023
ARIYA. The Nissan ARIYA is an all-electric SUV that merges modern design with advanced technology. It features a sleek, spacious interior, impressive range, and a smooth, responsive driving experience, offering a blend of style and practicality for those seeking a sophisticated electric vehicle.
This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.